low-key insane. Liberty Walk C8 and like a Lamborghini green.
So what are they doing right now?
They're gonna mock it all up, make sure it clears, valve covers, all that type of stuff.
So we are finishing up the cam install. We did the VVT delete, got the cover from LME. It now runs a 3-bolt cam gear instead of the VVT actuator. Did the Texas Speed delete cover, stock injectors, upgraded the springs. Did a custom camshaft. Now I'm just kind of getting this 2650 that we had on a ZL11LE, just getting it cleaned up. We've got the too high PSI lid and port injection that's going on it. So yeah, it's kind of going over it, making sure everything's still up to par. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. We're going to kind of test fit everything.
That was sick.
It's like the shittiest looking part.
Yeah, it is. We need to assemble all of the Pro Charger stuff that came off the WS6. How about do you film just all the time?
Yep. I'm told to.
I found that was Thomas.
What if we curse? Are you gonna have to like rip it out?
I don't know.
Yeah. What if I was to say like
Put on a handstand.
Well, I guess I'll blurb that. I don't know. How do we feel about curse words?
yeah, let's leave it that.
Okay.
It's a shop.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. I mean, you could just leave. Okay.
Let's see it.
All right. Yeah, buddy.
All right. So basically what we're doing is we're going to get some videos of the shop car, the C7 Z06. We fixed the chopping issue. Basically it was just the AC, so no AC for this. But yeah, we're gonna cover some footage, get some cool video of it. There's it leaving right now. Oh, yeah. Man, that thing looks good. Oh, perfect. Perfect. 10 o'clock, and it's like, see how hot it is right now. It is 80. On the polarizer.
Oh yeah.
Getting some chop.
Probably better for lighting too, right?
Yeah. Not glare.
How's she ride?
People have a concerning obsession with the car just chopping. So every once in a while we take it out and some videos that people spot it just chopping. Sometimes like 100,000 likes.
Dang. I mean, it's pretty cool. What's your favorite part about this car?
Favorite part about the car? Probably the blow-off valves.
What do you think about turbo?
Nah, overrated.
Okay.
Whoa. It's like with the lights too, you can see it perfectly.
So just finishing up this 18 Camaro. We made some pretty good gains. Looks like it picked up about 50 horse and 30 torque throughout the curve. On an already tuned vehicle, it's not too bad. Took a little bit of timing out of the car. I got rid of that torque dip around 6,000. So it pulls all the way to about 7,000. Customer originally came in for the trans to be tuned. It was real jerky, wasn't really drivable. So got that all done. I'm gonna street drive it after this. Did a couple pulls on the dyno for wide open throttle. Does roll racing and stuff, so we tested that 30 to 130. Crisp shifts now. So yeah, I'm gonna go street drive it and it'll be done.
What you got going on here?
It's low-key insane. Liberty Walk C8 and like a Lamborghini green. This thing's crazy looking.
What do you think?
Looks much better.
Yeah?
Front and rear bumper was off. There was a bunch of stuff missing from it. So
Nice.
first time I've seen it like kind of put together.
Yeah, looks good.
Got this 2020 C8 Corvette in here. It's been with us for a little bit. We got it from another shop. They had not done things properly, ended up needing a new motor. So we put just a stock motor back in it, runs, drives perfectly. Put a little bit of a tune on it, gained a little bit of power, but mainly just wants to enjoy the car now. So we got it to that point. I think final numbers were 443 and 425 torque. So it's pretty good, strong running car. We're gonna street drive it after this and make sure it's all good and give it back to the customer.
All right, Nick, what are we doing?
We're gonna take some photos and videos of the Liberty Walk C8 real quick. Owner's waiting, so we're gonna take like, what, 10 minutes, Dev? Yep. All right. Yeah, that's the plan. Maybe get out of the way.
Getting them angles.
All right, thanks for watching WIKD Wednesdays. Stay tuned for next week where we tune our shop car, the C7 Z06, and we get the engine and transmission back in the CT5V.
That's my car right there. That
Where?
right there.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that thing's clean.
I see y'all later.